What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the background of an image in Canva. Now if you find this useful, go ahead and give this video a like and let me know in the comments below. And if you're new, do consider subscribing so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. Now if you have an image that you uploaded, you can easily find that under uploads, or if you'd like to use from the image library within Canva, you want to simply click on photos and go ahead and find an image of your choice. What I'm going to do, I'm going to simply scroll down and find an image with the background. Let's say this one for example, and I'm going to simply drag that onto canvas here. Now the first thing you want to do is simply remove this current background. So you want to ensure that you select the image itself. Then go ahead and click on edit photo here, then use the BG remover tool. Now please keep in mind that you'll need Canva Pro to use this tool. So if you don't have Canva Pro, you can go ahead and try Canva Pro for 30 days for absolutely free. All you have to do is just simply go to canva.com, sign up for the Pro version. You'll get the 30-day free trial at no cost. And once you have that, you can simply come back here and try the tool again. Now if you don't have Canva and still would like to be able to utilize something like that, all you have to do is just simply head over to Google and you want to type BG remover, right? You'll find BG remover or BG remove. Just simply search that in Google and you'll find this website that says remover.bg. You want to click on it and you can simply go ahead and drag your image here and remove the background. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply grab an image of a lady here and drag it here onto the tool. And as you can see, it absolutely removed the background. Now all you have to do is just simply go ahead and hit download and you will have the image with the background removed. And let me go ahead and open that so that you can see. And as you can see here, the background is now removed. Very easy and very simple. Now once you do it, you can always go out to Canva, go to your uploads, and you can simply go ahead and drag that new image and re-upload it in Canva. And you can easily use it once you need it. However, as I said, you can easily do so within Canva, right? If you have Canva Pro. Now let me go ahead and add a background for this current image that I removed the background earlier, right? So let's go to photos. And let me go ahead and type backgrounds. And let's choose a different background that I can use. So let me take this image for example. And I will simply go ahead and put this onto my Canva here. And what I'm going to do is just simply resize it. Looks pretty nice. And then I will go ahead, right click on it and go to layers and click send backwards. Now here you can see that it's now in the background and replace my first background here. And I'm going to simply adjust the lady now. And this looks much better, right? Now have a look at that. It seems as if the lady is in a room with lights. So that's pretty amazing stuff, and that's how you go ahead and change the background of images within Canva. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and add another page here and add the first image so that you can see what it looked like before. So this was before and this is the one that we have recreated. Pretty nice stuff, right? And it looks much better. And that's how easy it is, guys, to go ahead and change the background of images within Canva. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.